Christmas. Special time of the year. A bit like this bird. This is Christmas. Don't be scared about cooking Christmas because it really is a special treat. Everyone's worried about the fat content in there, but the secret is Christmas spice mix. Now, the most important thing about this spice mix is making it sort of zesty. I'm going to start off with 2 lemons and 1 orange. The secret of the oranges and lemon, it cuts the richness of the goose. I like serving the goose to the kids because it's seen as a bit of a treat. And it's such a nice alternative to turkey. Okay. Orange. Okay. Grind it into a bit of a paste. Already, it smells very sort of Christmassy, spicy, aromatic and fresh, which is really, really nice. Now, mix is ready. We're going to score. And you can quite honestly say, Merry Christmas to you all. You've now cooked your goose properly.